Imagine a world where physical wallets are relics of the past, replaced by sleek digital interfaces that seamlessly manage your financial life. It's 2030, and cryptocurrencies have become an integral part of our daily existence. From paying for your morning coffee to investing in global markets, digital currencies have permeated every aspect of the economy. This is not a scene from a science fiction novel, but a potential reality envisioned by leading experts in the field. As we stand on the cusp of a new decade, the cryptocurrency landscape is rapidly evolving, promising a future brimming with innovation and transformative potential. But what exactly does this future hold? How will cryptocurrencies reshape our understanding of money, finance, and the global economy? In this exploration, we delve into the visionary insights and bold predictions of industry leaders, painting a vivid picture of the crypto world in 2030. From the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, to the integration of cryptocurrencies in the Metaverse, we'll navigate the major trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes that are poised to redefine the financial landscape. This journey offers a glimpse into a future where the lines between the physical and digital worlds blur, and the power of decentralized technologies empowers individuals and reshapes global commerce. Cryptocurrencies, once a niche concept confined to the realm of tech enthusiasts, have undergone a remarkable transformation over the past decade. From the pioneering days of Bitcoin to the emergence of thousands of altcoins, the crypto market has witnessed exponential growth and innovation. By 2030, experts predict a further evolution of cryptocurrencies, driven by technological advancements and increasing adoption. The focus will likely shift from speculative trading to real-world utility, with cryptocurrencies seamlessly integrated into everyday transactions. We can expect to see the rise of more sophisticated and user-friendly crypto wallets, making it easier for individuals to manage their digital assets. Moreover, the development of interoperable blockchain networks will enable seamless transactions across different cryptocurrencies, fostering a more interconnected and efficient crypto ecosystem. Decentralized finance, DeFi, has emerged as one of the most transformative trends in the crypto space. By leveraging blockchain technology, DeFi aims to revolutionize traditional financial services by creating a permissionless and transparent financial system. Experts predict that by 2030, DeFi will become a cornerstone of the global financial landscape. Decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and asset management protocols will offer individuals greater control over their finances, bypassing the need for intermediaries. The rise of DeFi will likely lead to increased financial inclusion, enabling access to financial services for those who have been traditionally excluded from the traditional banking system. Moreover, the transparency and immutability of blockchain technology will foster greater trust and security in financial transactions. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have taken the world by storm, revolutionizing the concept of digital ownership. While NFTs initially gained popularity in the realm of digital art, their applications extend far beyond this domain. Experts envision a future where NFTs are used to represent a wide range of assets, including real estate, intellectual property, and even physical goods. This will streamline processes, enhance security, and unlock new possibilities for ownership and value transfer. The integration of NFTs with the Metaverse will create immersive digital experiences where users can own and trade virtual assets, further blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms. The potential for NFTs to revolutionize various industries is vast, and we can expect to see innovative applications emerge in the years to come. Section 5, the Metaverse and Crypto Integration. The Metaverse, a collective virtual shared space, is rapidly gaining traction as a transformative technology. As we spend more time in digital realms, the integration of cryptocurrencies within the Metaverse is inevitable. Cryptocurrencies will serve as the native currency of the Metaverse, facilitating transactions, enabling virtual economies, and empowering users with greater control over their digital assets. Imagine purchasing virtual land, attending virtual concerts, or trading digital collectibles, all powered by cryptocurrencies. The integration of cryptocurrencies and the Metaverse will create new opportunities for creators, businesses, and individuals alike. It will foster a more immersive and interactive digital experience, blurring the lines between the physical and virtual worlds. Section 6. Regulatory landscape, striking a balance. As the crypto ecosystem matures, governments worldwide are grappling with the challenge of regulating this rapidly evolving space. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and protecting investors is crucial for the sustainable growth of the industry. Experts predict that by 2030, we will see a more comprehensive and nuanced regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. Clear guidelines on taxation, consumer protection, and anti-money laundering measures will provide greater certainty and stability to the market. While some countries may embrace a more permissive approach, others may opt for stricter regulations. The regulatory landscape will likely vary across jurisdictions, shaping the global crypto landscape and influencing the development of the industry. Section 7. Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDCs. Central banks around the world are exploring the potential of issuing their own digital currencies, known as central bank digital currencies. CBDCs aim to leverage the benefits of blockchain technology while maintaining central bank control over monetary policy. Experts predict that by 2030, CBDCs will play a significant role in the global financial system. They could enhance the efficiency of payments, reduce the risk of financial crime, and provide greater financial inclusion. The introduction of CBDCs will likely have a profound impact on the existing financial infrastructure. It could reshape the role of commercial banks, influence monetary policy, and potentially impact the value and adoption of existing cryptocurrencies. Quantum computing, with its immense computational power, poses a potential threat to the security of blockchain technology. By leveraging quantum algorithms, it may become possible to break the cryptographic encryption that underpins cryptocurrencies. While quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, experts predict that by 2030, it could pose a significant risk to the crypto ecosystem. To mitigate this threat, the industry will need to develop quantum-resistant cryptographic solutions. The development of quantum-resistant blockchains and cryptographic algorithms will be crucial for ensuring the long-term security and sustainability of cryptocurrencies. The industry must proactively address this emerging threat to maintain trust and confidence in the system. The widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies has the potential to reshape the global economic landscape. By enabling faster, cheaper, and more transparent cross-border payments, cryptocurrencies can facilitate international trade and empower businesses. Experts predict that by 2030, cryptocurrencies will play a more prominent role in global finance, challenging the dominance of traditional financial institutions. The emergence of decentralized financial systems could lead to greater competition and innovation in the financial sector. The integration of cryptocurrencies into supply chains can enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve transparency. Moreover, cryptocurrencies can empower individuals in developing countries by providing access to financial services and enabling participation in the global economy. The rise of cryptocurrencies challenges our traditional understanding of money. By decentralizing control and empowering individuals, cryptocurrencies represent a fundamental shift in the way we perceive and interact with value. Experts envision a future where the lines between traditional fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies blur. Digital currencies may become the primary means of exchange, with central banks and governments embracing the benefits of blockchain technology. The future of money is likely to be more inclusive, transparent, and accessible. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to empower individuals, foster economic growth, and reshape the global financial system. As we look ahead to 2030, the cryptocurrency landscape promises a future brimming with possibilities. From the evolution of DeFi to the integration of cryptocurrencies in the Metaverse, the trends and predictions discussed in this exploration paint a vivid picture of a world transformed by digital currencies. While challenges and uncertainties remain, the transformative potential of cryptocurrencies is undeniable. By embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and navigating the regulatory landscape, we can unlock the full potential of this revolutionary technology. The journey towards a crypto-powered future is underway, and the decisions we make today will shape the financial landscape of tomorrow. As we navigate this uncharted territory, let us embrace the opportunities, and navigate the challenges with foresight and a commitment to building a more inclusive, efficient, and empowered financial future.